Hey guys. All right. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very important thing that many people miss when they build a list specific for outbound. And what that is if you're trying to find out the person that you're trying to reach out to, the account that you're trying to reach out to, their ICP, and let's say you send like an AI agent, like a Claygent, to go do that search. What Claygent sometimes does is it infers the information instead of taking it straight from the website. So what I did here is I'm just going to walk you through the clay table that I built. So I got a bunch of domains that I got from my disco like search. So this is specific to one of my clients that is in the sustainable energy space. And I was like, okay, so I got the normalized company name, and then I found out the business model. Are they B2B, or do they serve both a B2B and a B2C? So in that case, then they would be a good ICP for me to reach out to, right? Because my current client at the moment serves both B2B and B2C, but we run outbound only for the B2B side of things. So if you have to find the other company's B2B ICP, you need to add an extra line here that says source. Is that taken straight from the website, or is that information inferred? So do you see over here, it says for futurefirstenergy.com, it says the ICP is inferred. It's not taken from the website. So this is the exact prompt that I gave. I'm more than happy to show it to you guys. So I gave the context, expert web researcher identifying the B2B ideal custom profile for a company using thorough online research. Determine the B2B ICP for this domain and return your answer in JSON. And if you find the ICP on their website, specify the source as a website, or if you infer it from other sources, specify source inferred, right? I just want to know if it's on the website or if it's inferred. If it's inferred, then I'm just going to position my message in a different way. This is just, again, talking about the whole list segmentation and all of it. So I was like, okay, review the website, blah, 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 do all of this. And then this is an example. This is another example. Great. And this is the JSON schema that I gave. And I'm saying only run if the domain is present. And now we have the information over here that says, all right, B2B ICP, the source is inferred. And great. All right, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.